I'm going to talk just a minute about cutting out a style number 2. I don't really need to demonstrate this because it's actually exactly the same pretty much as the style number 1. So the only difference when you're cutting, you'll notice on the patterns that I've made a line where you're going to cut the bottom of the suit of the bodice. And so what I do is when I'm cutting, I just fold this up on that line and just cut it out there. And the only other difference is your skirt is going to be longer. So most of the patterns have a style number 2 skirt, which is a couple inches longer to make up for that shorter bodice. If I'm missing one, you can just look at your cutting chart for the sizes and see what the total length of the suit is and just kind of cut it so that works. So the only other difference for a style 2 is that normally they have ties, and I have this piece of fabric here that is the pattern piece for the tie. This would be for, I use this for all of them. So for a ladies, this is kind of the standard length. For even for down like to a 14, you could maybe cut an inch off the end here. For little girls, you might want to cut it just a little bit narrower, and then it has a pointed end at the tip. So you would just want to cut a little narrower for the little girls, and then maybe cut 2 or 3 inches off the end. But that basically, for cutting a style number 2, that's all you need to know.